If you're seeing this, you've already spent some time here. That usually means something landed, not as an idea, but as recognition. Reality transurfing tends to work that way. You don't adopt it, you notice it. By now, you've probably sensed that this isn't about motivation or fixing yourself or chasing a better future version of you. It's about learning to relate to reality differently. How attention, importance, and inner state quietly shapes the lifelines we experience. And once you see that, you start noticing it everywhere. If you're returning, this channel is here to help you integrate, not consume. These videos are meant to be watched slowly, revisited, and applied in ordinary moments, conversations, decisions, reactions, pauses. That's where the real shift happens. One of the most important parts of this work is reflection. So if a video changes how you're seeing something, or helps you notice a pendulum you were feeding, leave a comment. Not to explain, just to mark the awareness. That practice alone strengthens your ability to choose differently. You'll also find a private community link below. That's where many people move from understanding to embodiment, through shared observation and lived experience. No pressure, no performance, just practice. If this way of seeing has become part of how you move through life, subscribing simply keeps the conversation open. Not because you need more content, but because awareness deepens with repetition. Reality doesn't change when we push it. It changes when we stop feeding what doesn't belong to us and quietly step onto a different lifeline. If you're still here, you're already doing the work. I'll see you in the next video.